Welcome again with Learn Python. We're talking about Python multi-threading. Running several threads is similar to running several different programs concurrently, but with the following benefits. Multiple threads within a process share the same data space with the main thread and can therefore share information or communicate with each other more easily than if they were separated processes. Number 2, threads, sometimes called lightweight process, and they don't require much memory overhead. They are cheaper than process. As you see here, if there is process 1, process 2, process 3, in the process 4 you can make thread 1, thread 2 and thread 3. Thread object, the simplest way to use thread is to instantiate it with target function called start to let the begin working. Import threading, definition function worker. This is comment threads worker function, print worker and return threads empty for I in range 5. T threading thread target worker, this function. Thread append T start. Then for 5 time you make 5 threading simply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is useful to be able to spawn a thread and pass an argument to tell it what work to do. This example pass a number which is a thread, then print. Import threading, definition function worker with argument num, print worker s, and it adds this number percentage. It replaces s with this number here. For I in range 5, threading thread grade target worker argument I here, thread append T start. Then the result is worker 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Replacement number here with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You can determine the current thread using argument to identify or name the thread in comparison, and unnecessary. Each thread instance has a name with default values that can be changed as the thread is created. Naming thread is useful in several processes with multiple service thread handling different operations, like this import threading, import time, definition of worker function, time 1 sleep, 2 second, print threading, starting, exiting, definition my service function, print threading, time sleeps 3 seconds, print threading dot current thread dot get name dot existing. This is starting and this is time of existing. T threading thread name my service, get my service function. W threading worker target worker function. W2 threading target worker also use default name, and they make the 3 threading start, W start, W2 start, T start, and this is the result. Worker thread 1 starting, my service starting, thread worker existing, my service existing. Worker thread starting, my service starting, thread worker exiting, my service exiting, and several times. Starting a new thread. To start a new thread, you can use X threading thread target thread function, argument 1, X start. This is the syntax. This is an example. Import logging, import threading, import time. definition thread function with argument name, logging information thread s starting with name, time sleep 2 seconds, logging information thread s finishing and the name, if name main, this is initial, format, logging basic configuration format equal format, level equal login information, and the bots that determine default time, hour, minute, second, hours, minutes, seconds, logging information main before creating thread, and the main before running thread, and wait for the thread finish, and all done. Main, this is main before creating thread, main before running thread, thread 1 starting, main wait for when thread is finished, main all done, thread 1 finishing. This is the sequence. Daemon threads. In computer science, a daemon is a process that runs in the background. You sometimes run your antivirus or run your play sound in the background. Python threading has more specific meaning for daemon. A daemon thread will shut down immediately when the program exists. Daemon threads like this: X threading thread, target thread function, argument 1, daemon equal true. This part to make the thread daemon. Thank you for listening. For any question, contact me during Udemy question and answer. See you in the last lecture of the course. Bye.